Hi and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and I've got some items to share with you today from DiamondArtDecor. They were kind enough to send me some goodies to share with you all. So I'm going to start with this one because it seems half open anyway. And I'm not sure if that was so I could determine what company it was from or whether it was like that already. Oh, but this is one that is actually a partial. So it's one that they sell. This is a winter scene. I don't know if that's very clear at all, actually. So that comes, it's very small. I mean, you can make out what it is. You can make out, so if you look, it's houses and trees in a snow setting. You can make out what it is. It's not like you can't tell at all, but it is tiny. So it is 23 by 16.5 is the print area, but there's actually not a lot that you diamond paint on, so it's not as clear close up, but further back it is. Oh, and it is more rhinestones than it is. Right, I didn't realise it was a rhinestone one. Okay, so we do get a toolkit, boat wax pen. Let's have a look at the colours then that make this one up. Oh, there's a gorgeous colour in here though. Okay, so we have what looks like a 310 in black. And then, these are the rhinestones we have. So we have some blue, some brown, yellow, silver. This is the gorgeous colour. It's like a rose gold. That one is number 6. Where does that go? Some of the symbols aren't wow, but they're not awful. Where's number 6? Oh, it's around here. It's around here, around the middle. It's like the glow on the rooftop. That's gorgeous though. Then we have some black rhinestones. Then we have some more brown, another sort of coppery type brown, a blue and another copper type. It'll be very interesting to see what that looks like when it's completed. Hopefully you can make out what it is, because while it's not awful, like quality, photo quality wise, it's not the easiest. It's a lot smaller than what I thought it would be. And with it being rhinestones, I would be very interested to see how that turns out. But that is the purpose of these unboxings, so we can actually see what things look like. Okay, number 2. I will pop links to all of these down below. It may well be that that did say it was rhinestones and I just got confused. It's been known to happen. Oh, this one's much nicer. So this is a 30 by 40. Look at that. This is a round drill. It does come with DMC numbers and it comes with 24 different colours. Oh, that's stunning. I can see this being up in somebody's mudroom or porch or whatever you want to call it, depending on where you live. So it is 25 centimetres by 35 centimetres. Oh, could you imagine that on a house that's in the country, just near the back door or something? Oh, gorgeous. Wellies! Wellies! Okay, let's have a look at the colours on this one. Looks like we have some nice vibrant colours mixed in with this. Okay, pick an end. Let's go for this one. So this is sort of a greeny white. Doesn't look quite white. Number 20, yeah, 3756. So it's sort of white with a hint of green. We've got some blue, dark green, lovely orange, pale green, grey blue, some pinks and some sort of burgundies, more greens and blues, peaches, yellows, bit of lime green, some grey, another peachy tone, some greys. What's that one? Number 2. That is black, 310. Some dark purple. And then we do have a little bit of white, some more purples, yellows, and a gorgeous tealy coloured blue. I like those colours. That is a nice selection of colours. There's not too many that are muted. There's quite a lot of bright colours that make this up. I think those boots are going to look rather stunning. The background is a nice lot of blues with a little bit of white, but the background is not like one solid colour. So just to show you closer up, can you see it's like a water effect, which means it's very interesting to diamond paint because you're not constantly doing the same colour. Yeah, that's a really nice one. I like that one. That gets my vote so far. And then if I actually move all of these out of the way, because this one is definitely bigger. So let's have a look at the bigger one of the 3. Bigger isn't always better, but sometimes it is. Oh, this is a beast. Oh, this is a square, if I remember right. It is. So this is a square. I just thought, do you know what? I've not unboxed a train before. That is a really nice scenery one. Oh, there we go. Try and get the light off it. So we've got the mountains, the trees, and the train. It is a 75 by 45. And the actual diamond painting area is just short of 70 by 40. So it's a nice size. That's really nice. I really like that one. Oh, and the diamonds are in bags, which make it much easier for me to show you. So we do have quite a few different blues, greens, browns. We do have a little pop of pink and of course some red for the train. But it does have some blockiness, so the sky is all the same colour. And there is bits of blockiness in the mountains, but not too much. There's quite a bit of shading up the top. And then there is quite a bit of confetti and shading, especially in around these sort of tree, sort of bush areas. But yeah, that's a nice selection of colours. There is actually 33 colours in this. And you do get 2 pens, 2 boats, and a big piece of wax in case you want spares or in case you're a sharing person. Symbols on this one look really, really clear. From what I can see, they do use white on black as well as black on white, if you get what I mean. So some of these darker colours do have a white symbol on, and the lighter colours have a black symbol on, so that you can actually see them. But oh, look at that, that's gorgeous. And this bit here is not the paper, it's not the top cover paper. This is the parts in the mountains that you can see a little bit better when I stop my light shining directly on it. Very, very nice. Okay, so that is the 3 for today. Thank you to DiamondArtDecor for sending me these to share with you all. I did pick them, so this one is on me. I don't think it looks too bad from a distance when it's done and when it's up. I think it just surprised me when I opened it up, but it would be very interesting to see what that one looks like with rhinestones. But I love the willy boots. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me, and I'll speak to you all again soon.